Hey guys, Rich with Rich Rebuilds here, and I wanted to first and foremost thank everyone for coming out to APX events this last weekend. It was an awesome, fun-filled day of go-kart racing and car shows. I saw lots of fans and finally met some YouTubers in person. It was easily one of the most humbling experiences I've ever had, because just think that someone got in their car, drove to an event, paid for the event just to see me and shake my hand in person, and that's a moment I won't soon forget. Elon Musk even sent one of his spy robots to make sure I wasn't fixing any of his cars in the parking lot. Now, today's episode is going to be an update on the Tesla-powered Audi. In the last video, remember, I saw the car driving by for the first time silently and had to check it out. Well, I aggressively interviewed Sam and asked him all the questions about his car because, honestly, I was just too excited. Sam was not only camera shy, but he wasn't sure if his car was ready for the event. He just got it running recently, and there were wires everywhere. It looked like a science experiment. Well, sucks for Sam because over 1 million people saw his car, and just like that, he cringed as he watched the video count get higher and higher. Now, a few weeks later, Sam and I met up again so he could redeem himself. He cleaned up the car to make it look as OEM as possible. I'll be cutting back and forth with some before and after so you can see the progress he's made. Tell me what you guys think.
Yeah, it goes to the center diff, which then makes it all-wheel drive. So it goes to the rear diff and then the front diff. So I retain the 100% of the quattro system with my own.
Look how clean this is now, man. You cleaned the hell out of this thing.
And I have the battery cooling over here.
Oh, look at that.
With the jack shaft.
And I completely redid the back. I'll show you how I did it.
I want to see the back. Yeah. This is a really good update. I'm glad that you came back. This thing was like a wiring mess before. That was crazy.
I wasn't like, I didn't expect to see you or anybody else there. I was just gonna be like,
no.
I literally just finished it maybe like a week before.
No, but I was there.
Drive a science project and not have people be like, oh.
No, but I wasn't. I thought we just got some invite. We didn't know who it was, what it was.
Right.
We were literally working on the car that morning to get there. You know, we didn't even think we'd make it.
It's funny.
Do you have something else planned for this?
Yeah, I already have the AC. I just need to go to Lancaster to get the other guys gonna do it. That's my bracket for the AC compressor. Yeah, gotcha. I've been putting it off for weeks now, but yeah.
And how is that driven?
It's a 400 volt AC compressor. Okay. So basically, it's just gonna exactly.
Are you using the Tesla compressor or something from the machine?
No, it's out of China.
Do you have to do any cutting on the chassis or anything at all? It's just all built in.
What do you mean?
The chassis unmodified. Unmodified.
Oh, you mean the subframe and all that? Yeah. No. That's all.
Oh, look at you getting cute here too. Look at that, huh? Okay, I saw that.
Yeah, we hit a bunch of traffic. It took us like 2.5 hours to get here from Bergen County.
So what is this? So the coolant lines up here, that's cooling the actual motor, right? Not the batteries.
So it's almost ready. I just need to put a couple pumps in to make it go. See, this is the reservoir for yeah, I'm almost there.
I saw that. I don't think I missed that.
Look at the cluster. It's the same.
I want to see that too. I can't wait to see this thing more, man.
The conduit work box.
Yeah, I know. Literally.
Modules over here and 13 up front. I mean the back.
You need to get sponsored by Square D.
No, they're all basically in
cut in half, right?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, right.
So he split the motor and inverter into two. And yeah, the motor's right here, inverter's right there. Just has the wires going to it.
Is that who you're working with?
No.
He is a great guy, and you know, it's an intro. I'm interested to see, because I know everybody hacks the code when you split motor. Sorry, did you wait?
Oh, look at this sexy cooling setup he's got here now.
That is nice. I like it.
That's damn nice.
Wow.
You have all 16 in here?
All 16. There's still trunk space.
Yeah. Yeah, a little golf bag. Well, not really, but you can have a couple golf clubs back there.
I'd say this is more like, I don't know, 30.
This is cool.
That's real cool.
Yeah.
That is, I like it.
What's the range?
250 miles. Same as the Tesla. He has a full Tesla battery pack cut up in here.
Damn.
He's not playing games.
That's unreal.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's unreal.
So this is what
and it doesn't even look like there's anything.
It looks like OEM. If you put a box here,
you can still fit your freaking luggage in the back.
Right.
And then, the batteries are in the...
Yeah. Are in the back, and that's his cooling setup.
How heavy are those?
55 pounds each.
16.
16. Do the math. Yeah, there's some math in there. Oh wow, he has a nice little. Oh shit! Oh, that goes. As the car shuts off and.
The best day ever. That car is terrifying. It's 10 feet
Clean.
long.
It's very clean.
I can't believe they sold it to me. I actually told them, like, so I went in there, I gave them my VIN car that I had.
Yeah. So that's the inverter, and that's the motor itself.
Tesla motor.
So yeah.
Same motor that you
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, but he cut it in half
Oh, I see.
for space saving.
They don't want something cooler. I'm like, that's not
Just
even
turned it
smart.
sideways.
Come on, man. Like,
Pretty much cut in half, whoop, and then now they're kissing each other at the sides. Yep.
like, looking it up, whatever. And then
And that's the adapter plate that he made to adapt to the all-wheel drive system.
something like that.
So
I'm
yeah.
like, all right, honestly, I have a fucking Audi S5
So they use
that
the
I just
same-
want cooling for, you know, 'cause I waited like 3 hours just getting a little upset. So, and he's like, like there was like, I don't know, 10 people at the service center. He's like, that's you? Because they saw his video.
You're right.
Yeah, and I was like, whoa, you know, like,
Yeah.
no way.
Wait, they gave it to you though,
They
right?
did, they sold me, yeah.
All right,
It was
good,
like,
yeah. Your maiden voyage, you were excited? Look at this big shit-eating grin he's got on his face.
Oh my god, I can't wait.
It's open.
Oh, I'll be good.
Doesn't do burnouts, we tried.
No? We've tried.
Remember, there's only one like this in the world. Take care.
I'm gonna. Oh man.
Looks like an Audi, right? Dude, you cleaned this thing up real nice, man.
This thing's gorgeous.
Look at that. This thing's like, wow. I don't even. Hold on.
So the buttons are the drive selectors.
Yep.
And then the rocker switches, one's power steering, and one is the brake.
So this is park, reverse, drive, pretty much.
Drive, reverse, neutral. There's
Drive, reverse, neutral.
Park is a parking brake. We use the original Audi.
So how do we start it?
There's the key. Yeah, there's your anti-theft system.
Where does...
Figure out how to get it moving.
Just a second, it's gonna turn on. You're gonna see like all your information.
Oh, yeah, we need those.
You buckle up.
Now, is that your
Yeah.
own infotainment system?
No,
Or
that's
is
that's Audi's
Audi
OEM.
stock? Okay.
But this
Yeah.
isn't what it came with.
But then it converts. It switches over to the
so if
other
you
one.
want, you could go to the one it looked like before. So now this is controlled by this.
Oh,
And I don't know your radio stations.
No, yeah, of course.
But if you click it, then it goes over to this. I'm getting a cool. That's the other one. So and it sees the doors open. It's integrated into the car's CAN system. So it shows
Oh,
you
that's
everything.
cool.
Yeah, it shows you everything you need. Like if you turn on the headlights, it'll show you the headlights. And all that kind of stuff.
So how do you put it?
So you press the brake.
Yep, that's
And
it.
then you press. Oh, sorry. Right now you're in the parking brake. So press that down. Yeah. So now we're in neutral, and now you press this, and you see it's in D drive.
Oh,
And
cool.
we're in drive. And now for power steering, we just turn this on, and now you have power steering. So if you want a harder feel, you just turn that off. Yeah. So,
Oh, that's cool. So if you want to drive it like my truck, you turn it off.
yeah.
You don't have power steering?
Not right now.
Jesus, what happened?
Oh no, that truck goes.
All right, we'll see you later.
Bye. Go easy. Oh,
Makes it a line.
More than along the lines
that we're not.
what do you think?
This thing's good. This thing's awesome.
Legit, right?
Turn it off. Just put it in neutral.
Hold on, Austin. You got to give me a ride to Tony's.
Okay. Dude, unreal. You need to take this thing for a ride.
Go ahead.
And he said it'll be way faster if it was fully charged.
Yeah. What's your state of charge right now?
40%.
Oh wow. Why are you always so damn low? You want the dyno? You were low. You're driving people
I don't
around.
charge it to 100%. Like
Yeah.
I don't want the battery to.
Gotcha.
Oh yeah, dude.
I believe it.
Oh man.
It's a
Right.
whole lot better if you fix the gas pedal.
Yeah, it was like on a weird. Oh god.
A whole lot
man.
better now.
So
It's
that's
weird.
the parking brake, but
Definitely weird. Like
And then
just-
you put that in drive.
not knowing if you're a driver part, not having the
Right.
shit thing. That was.
Did you go to reverse at all?
And
No.
then you're good to go.
It goes negative.
Yep.
Oh, that's cool.
Here we go.
That's my
Oh man, wait till he punches it.
He's gonna
That's
shit.
when I got a smile.
There's your proof of concept.
Well, guys, everyone that saw the car absolutely loved it. Sam did a great job with his Audi, and the biggest thing people complained about was that it had an RS5 badge on there, so he took that off. There's another project brewing that I haven't been talking much about. It's still under wraps and not ready to unveil just yet, but judging by what you're watching right now, I'm sure you can quickly figure out what's going on. Now, you're slowly going to start to see different things in this channel, not only Tesla content, but you're also going to start seeing some various EV conversions as well. Yes, I have a few different EV builds up my sleeve that I want to share with you, but I'll need more time to build a proper story. I also have a repair series of videos of me troubleshooting issues with one of my flooded salvage Teslas, so that aspect of the channel will not be lost. Well, guys and girls, thank you for listening. Stay tuned for the Kickstarter for the new shop, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Did I mention I like bikes too?